Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Carbonated Tim's French Vanilla Cappuccino Low Sodium. First thing you gotta do is open up this the mix of French Vanilla Cappuccino, pour into a cup from the container, and then after that you pour in the water so that it's a complete French vanilla cappuccino. Then last but not least, you open up this club soda, low sodium, and you pour it into this cup. Let it settle. And see where it's at. Good. Pouring a little more. And now, here is your carbonated Tim's French Vanilla Cappuccino Low Sodium. Enjoy, folks, and have a great